Hello my dear friends, this is Mabam Sanathoy. Today we will discuss about work profile and career aspect in SBI PO, Bank PO and RBI Assistant. Before we start, I would like to request my students and my friends to subscribe my channel. I am getting lots of views for which I am really happy, but very few subscription. So kindly do click on the subscribe button because your subscription will give me motivation to work more and make videos for you guys more. So let's begin with the various posts these organizations have. Those who are new can watch my earlier video, which is better SBI PO or RBI Assistant. Most of you must be aware about this. If you join SBI or a bank as a PO, you will become assistant manager, which is officer level post, also known as JMG 1, that means junior management grade 1. This is scale 1 officer. After that you become manager after promotion, which is scale 2 officer. Then after one more promotion you become senior manager, which is scale 3 officer. Then you become chief manager. After that you become AGM, which is scale 5. After that you become DGM, that is scale 6. Then GM, which is scale 7. Recently in large bank, CGM position has also come, that is Chief General Manager. Otherwise it is Executive Director and Chairman at the top level. In case of RBI, if you join the bank as an assistant, after promotion you will become grade A officer. Grade A, which is assistant manager in RBI. And after one more promotion you will become grade B, which is manager post. And one more promotion you will become AGM, assistant general manager, which is grade C. Then after one more promotion you will become DGM, that is grade D. Then after that you will become general manager, that is grade E. Then you will become CGM, that is grade F. After that executive director and deputy governors. To be frank, it is very challenging. I would say it is exceptional. One can reach to GM or CGM level if you join as an assistant in RBI. Now coming to the work profile, the most interesting part. When you join bank as a PO, you have everything in your profile because ultimately you have to grow up in the organization. So you may doing customer service, dealing with loans, you may be in normal banking operations, and you will also do business developments like cross-sellings of insurance. Ultimately, bank is a profit-making entity. Here comes the difference. Bank is a profit-making entity, so you work for business. Remember that. When you are joining a public sector bank, you are joining a business entity, so don't worry about the business targets. While in case of RBI, which is a regulatory body, central bank of country, as a RBI assistant you will be doing routine office work, which may be letter writing some notes, some data entry, assisting or conducting financial literacy camps. The work will vary a lot from department to department. For example, in issue department it will be related to cash, and in case of financial inclusion it may be related to correspondence. You are dealing with different banks. Now comes the most important aspect, that is career aspect. In case of PO, promotions are going to be fast because you are a direct recruit at officer level post. Expect to go up in the organization. All CMDs, executive directors and general managers working in the public sector bank today joined as a PO. You will be having challenging and rewarding career. It is like a roller coaster ride. I have already worked in public sector bank, so I am saying this from my experience. But in case of RBI assistant, as you will have lesser challenges, you will have more time. You will leave office by 5:15 PM or 5:30 PM. After that, work will not bother you. You will have weekends at your end and you will have time to pursue your hobbies, just like I am doing now. But if you think you will become a grade B officer in 3 years, and likewise, don't be in any misguidance. Grade B will take 7 to 8 years and it may take 14 years also. Because first you will have to become an assistant manager, that is grade A, which will take minimum 3 years. After that, only you can become grade B until and unless you join as a grade B DR. If you end up your career reaching at DGM level, I would say it will be a good success or a great success, joining as an assistant and retiring as a DGM. In case of bank PO, they are the fuel of the bank because they run the organization and they grow up in the hierarchy. In case of RBI, it is definitely RBI grade B. So choose wisely. What are you looking for? If you are looking for challenges and rewards, go for bank PO. And if you are looking for more time for you, your family, your hobbies, relaxed posting, relaxed working environment, then go for RBI assistant.